Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the No Parts Robin strap-on harness. So let's get started. So this is the No Parts strap-on harness Robin itself. Now you can bring some sensual excitement into the bedroom with this beautiful strap-on harness. This series has a cool high-end look and is designed with special consideration for female calves as well. The stretchy material is comfortable and fits just like underwear. The strap-on can be used with your favourite dildo, which you can put in place with the O-ring just here. Ensure the dildo has a flat base to ensure it stays in place correctly. It can fit a diameter of 3 to 6 centimeters. This is shown here in the size large, but it's also available in the sizes small, which fits as a 36-38 European size, and medium, which is a 38 to 40 European size. The size here, large, is fitted to a 40 to a 42 European size. Also included is a little luxury bag, which you can put your strap-on harness in, meaning it's perfect for on the go. And that is the No Parts Robin strap-on harness. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.